What I'm the most fearful about is for people to only recognize me because of my hair. I do love my hair and I want her to make her statement, but I don't want her to overpower me too much either. Hi, I'm Keon. I'm a movement artist, a performer, and content creator. And today I'm getting a color refresh. So I want my color to be a little bit brighter. It's feeling a little dull right now, so I just want to get in there, give it a little more depth. So I've always had curly hair. It's always been short. And I've been blonde for about 6 years now, so I do love having bright colored hair. I think it shows my curls really beautifully, so I'm just excited to give my hair some love today.
Hi, I'm Elena and I work at Salon Kazumi in Beverly Hills. I specialize in all color and all different textures of hair, so I do get a lot of clients that have curly hair and a lot of clients that want to do drastic blonde colors. Hi, how are you? I'm Elena.
I'm good, Elena. How are you? I'm Keon.
It's so nice to meet you, Keon.
Nice to meet you too.
So how are you feeling? What do you want to do today?
Well, I feel like my blonde has gotten a little bit dull. My hair is a little dry, so I just want to give it a nice refresh and boost it up a bit.
Yeah. Do you like being blonder than where you are now?
I mean, I do love being blonde. I think the color can maybe go with my skin tone a little bit better than what it is right now. So I'm open to whatever you think might work.
Yeah. You definitely don't want to go darker though, right?
Not darker, no.
Okay, great. We'll add some dimension, clean you up a little bit. We'll do some moisture treatments just for some dryness, and we'll give you a great curl style. Does that sound good?
Yeah, that sounds amazing.
Okay, great.
I can't wait.
Yes, me either. Let's get started.
Okay.
First, I'm going to drape Keon so we don't get any color on her clothes. I'm then going to section her hair ears forward, and I'm going to start in the back, working up the nape to the crown just by adding very small pieces of her natural through as a low light. I'm going to do some weaves throughout that whole back section. It's really important to look at clients' skin tone and their eye color and even their natural hair color in order to determine what's going to best suit them. With Keon, she had a really gorgeous olive skin tone, and I really liked the colors that I was seeing on her skin, so I didn't want to change them too much. After everything's foiled, I'm going to take the lightener and just paint a little bit on her ends around her face just to make the blonde pop. I'm going to set a timer for 30 minutes, let everything process, and then I'm going to rinse. I'm then going to keep a lot of water in her hair and use a Weedad humidity blocking gel and a little bit of an enhancing curl conditioner for her styling products. Using a Denman brush, I'm going to brush those products through in small sections and finger coil some of her curls just to enhance those. Once the entire head is set with the curl products, I'm going to start diffusing. Once her hair is 100% dry, I'm going to take a multi-benefit oil and I'm going to start separating some of her curls just to give her a little bit more body and to just set the style how we want. I also am using a little bit of a texture spray just to give a little bit more grit and body to her root area. This is going to give her a lot of body and volume, which she really wants. Ready for the big reveal?
I'm so ready. Oh, it's beautiful. I absolutely love my hair. I think the color is really natural looking. It's more golden. I think it really matches my skin tone nicely. And just feeling my hair, it's super soft. I've never felt my curls like this before. Melena's incredible. Not only did she talk me through the whole process, she was telling me what she was doing as we went along, and she listened to me.
It was great working with Keon. She has such a calming energy. It was really fun giving her the transformation that she needed. Even though it was a minor change, I think it made a huge difference in how she felt about herself.
If I told my younger self that I'm embracing my natural curls, I think she would be stoked. She's different every day, and I can't always control her, so you kind of just gotta go with the flow, see how it is each day, and learn to enhance it in the best way that you can. I'm definitely feeling my diva vibes come out, so I'm gonna embrace that feeling and run with it and just live my best curly life.